So this is muffin, and she have to eat. Kakak gigil ya. Must feed her. It's her food. Her food. Yeah, baby. How many already you eat? Don't climb there. Okay. Push it. Fall down. It fall down. There you go. Don't go yet. You are not done. You're not done yet. So the tail. See the tail? Your tail is like, a broom. Can you sweep? Can you sweeping? Or dusting? Bushy tail. Hey guys, good morning. Today I'm gonna cook a chicken adobo. I'm really craving for it. I didn't eat that for some times, so today for lunch that's what I'm gonna cook. So of course I always put my ingredients. I have this garlic, onions, ginger. I have this dried chili. I like the adobo spicy. Mahilig ako sa maanghang. And my finale, I put the calamansi, small lime, the chicken. And then I got sugar, just a tablespoon of sugar, soya sauce, and a bit of pepper. That is to saute later on. And then of course vegetable, I have the broccoli, still nice and green. So I'm gonna boil all that. I just actually boiled it with salt, and that's it. I love it. It's like sweet, I love to eat that. All right, let's begin. I'm gonna chop out all my ingredients: garlic, onions, and ginger. Ayan, I already chopped our onions, ginger, and the garlic. And yeah, I also cut up that one. And also our broccoli, I already cut it up. And yeah, by the way, for vinegar, I use rice vinegar. So that's, yeah, I've been using that for so many years. I just love it. Alright, now we're gonna start cooking. Okay, our pan is already hot, so we're gonna add in the oil. Okay, I'm gonna saute the garlic, onions. Okay, grab the garlic, saute that. Right. Okay, grab the onion. Oh, like the until the fragrance is out. You can smell the lovely aroma of the onions. I use yellow onion. It's really nice and fragrance. It's suitable for palm oil. Like for coconut oil, the suitable onion is the red onion, Bombay. The fragrance is really amazing, awesome. Okay, now I'm gonna drop in now I'll drop the ginger. Okay, next, I can really smell the fragrance of the garlic, onions, and ginger. So nice. Now we're gonna drop in the chili, the dried chili. Okay, I like spicy, guys, so that's why I always add in chili. It's really appetizing. Okay, just saute a bit. Okay, now we're gonna drop in our chicken. Chicken is chicken breast and chicken wings. So drop it in. Alright, just saute that for a while. Okay, I'm gonna use 2 hands for this. So it's nice and sizzling. We're just gonna cover it to let the juice out. Then turn it over and then we add in all the other ingredients. Okay, gotta check. Alright, we're just gonna stir that, turn it over. It's nice and brown. Okay, my my pan is running. As you can see, it's nice and brown, but I like it a bit more brown. Then I'm gonna add in the other ingredients. I'm gonna cover it again. Cover it. Okay. Okay, I think it's time. It's nice sizzling. I think, yeah, the oil is also out already. Oh, nice. Okay, it's time to add in the other ingredients. Let's put in our soy sauce. Okay, soy sauce. Black pepper. Okay, and then the sugar. Okay, then the guys gonna stir that. Mix. So look at that. Alright, so I just mixed it nicely, and now we're gonna lower the fire and simmer it. And then it's soft, and then we can taste it whether the the saltiness is enough. Then we can add in the vinegar. Alright, let's check our adobo. Okay, as you can see, the juice is more now, so just gonna stir so it won't be burnt. It won't burn because I'm using a non-stick pan. So we just turn it over, and I like it really soft, so just gonna leave it be. Alright, cover. Okay, meantime I'm gonna boil this water. Just put salt, a bit of salt, just drop it in. That is for our broccoli, to blanch the broccoli. Okay, let's check. Alright, oh, look at that, smells good. Okay, now I'm gonna add in the balance of the onions. Normally I will add in fresh onions and also the ginger, the some chopped chilies. So I'm just gonna add in. It's actually add extra flavor. It's different when you add in fresh onions and ginger, aside from the sauteed one. So just let it simmer. Oh, look at that, looks so good. There you go, our broccoli is in. Just blanch it for a while, boil for a while. It's not overcooked, and yum. So nice and hot, steamy, very nice. Right, so let's check our chicken. Oh, look at that. Smells so good. Okay, turn it over. Okay, now we're gonna taste it, whether I got enough soy sauce in there. It's perfect. Now I think it's cooked already. Yeah. Spicy. Okay, I think I want it to really simmer some more. Looks so good. Okay, now we're gonna add in our vinegar, so then it can absorb into the chicken. Just leave it be. Alright, just leave it be and simmer some more. Okay, I think this is enough. This is really good already. Okay, we add in the vinegar already, and yeah, this is good enough. It's cooked. Okay, we're gonna try it again. Look at that, so good. Oh wow, it's so delicious. Wow. Okay, now I'm gonna squeeze this calamansi. All right, and that's it. It's it. Alright, feeling hungry, so I actually bought this sweet potato. I'm gonna boil this for merienda. Ayan. Mura lang siya, 3 ringgit 17 cents. There you go, we're gonna wash this, scrub it nicely and boil it. Just gonna add in some. Okay, we're gonna boil that. Alright. And yeah, I'm just gonna add in salt to enhance the sweetness of the potato. Okay, just like 1 teaspoon salt. Alright, we just cover it, let it boil and cooked, and then we're gonna have it for merienda. Simple one. Ayan, boiling na siya. Hintayin na lang natin maluto at kakain na. Lalagyan ko siya normally ng butter. Ayan, para masarap, mas masarap. Ayan, luto na yan siya. Tamo, wala ng tubig. Malhan na. Kainin na natin. Alright. Okay, ayan na. Luto na siya. Lalagyan na yan siya ng butter mamaya. Mainit pa yan. Umuusok pa yan siya. Tanya usok. Yan. Alright, plus tea with milk. Yan. Perfect for our merienda.